This is a summary of the food studies topic, diet and specific dietary needs. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content of this course topic. Understanding the specific dietary needs of different groups is crucial for providing appropriate nutrition and support. The increasing popularity of vegetarian diets can be attributed to various reasons, including health concerns, environmental consciousness, and personal beliefs. Different types of vegetarian diets exist, ranging from vegans who consume no animal products to lacto-ovo vegetarians who include dairy and eggs in their diet. While a well-planned vegetarian diet can provide all necessary nutrients, attention should be given to obtaining sufficient iron and avoiding excessive reliance on high-calorie dairy products. Weight control diets should focus on consuming smaller portions, checking food labels, reducing fatty and sugary foods, increasing physical activity, and incorporating more fruits and vegetables. Special diets for digestive problems and food intolerance may be required due to enzyme deficiency, malabsorption, or food allergies, necessitating the avoidance of specific foods. Modifying meals for individuals with heart conditions involves reducing saturated fat intake, increasing consumption of fruits, vegetables, and fiber, and limiting salt to manage cholesterol and high blood pressure. When selecting recipes, consideration must be given to the nutritional needs of different individuals, allowing for modifications to meet dietary guidelines or accommodate special dietary requirements.